Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a bike for you guys. It's a 2004 Yamaha R6. Went ahead, already cleaned this one up. It is for a customer. Once again, trying to help one of my customers sell one of their toys. So if that's something you are interested in, let me know. I can help. I'll clean the bike up for you or vehicle. Then I'll post it online, take care of the selling, and then we'll figure out how much money you were looking to get out of it, and then I'll take a commission on top of that. So without further ado though, let's go ahead, check this bike out, give any potential customers a walk around. We'll start it up and we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so like I mentioned, it is 2004. This is not the original owner. I believe it's on his third or fourth owner, the person I'm selling it for. But for an 04, it is really clean. It does have 24,000 miles on it, or excuse me, 29,000 miles on it. So if you factor that out, 29,000 miles over 16 years, really not too much wear and tear per year. Current owner though did change up the gearing on it. He does have down one in the front and plus two in the back, and that's on a driven set, and that is on a 520 chain. Custom bracket here in the back for you guys to mount your plate on the bike. Starts right up, idles nice. This mount for your phone, this will come with it. The owner said the next person can have it, so that'll be yours as well. But let's go ahead and show you guys the miles. See 29,362. This is a cold start. You can see the temperature right there is low. Okay, as you can hear, it does have a shorty Micron exhaust on it. Sounds awesome. Hope you guys like that. Otherwise, looking to get $3,600 for the bike. It is currently posted on Facebook Marketplace. If you have any other questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or we're in the Southwest Wisconsin area, specifically Belleville, Wisconsin. Refine your search for Belleville and you should be able to find it under 2004 YZF-R, and once again is an R6. That is a 600cc bike. I've been getting a lot of questions. Is it a 600 or 1000? It's an R6. That's a 600cc or 599cc for insurance purposes. So hope you guys like it and come pick it up. You really love it.